kuna shtaka la pili ambalo ni kukataa kutiwa mbaroni ambalo na kwa ile ulikuwa unataka
Subsequently, Your Honor, the DPP exercised his powers under Section 87, paragraph A, and withdrew that case. He has now again, Your Honor, appeared before you under the same section again, exercising his rights to charge for the same offenses that had previously been charged. And while, Your Honor, we have no objection to our client taking plea in respect to count 1 to count 7 to count 6, our objection is in respect of the mischief being perpetuated and the abuse of power being perpetuated by the DPP by invoking Section 121I of the Penal Code.